Today we're going to bring up Apple Pen 2 charging station. Now, we know that we have a charging station built in the actual iPad is up on the top, but normally you could lose this easily. It falls off easily. You lose it. This is an investment. It's very difficult to replace sometimes. It's not easy. It's not a fast charge. It takes a while for you to get actually charged it. But this is my iPad that I currently have, and it is charging right now. And of course, you got to mess around with it once in a while, and there you see it. It's at 57. You still have to move it around. Well, I found this little solution where they have this base, and basically, what you got to do is just base it down. It has a magnet, and it comes with a Type C connection charging station. It's perfect for it. Here it is. It's charging, and I could use my iPad on my own. I don't have to be worrying about this. And it has a padding in the bottom, which is plastic, so it won't move anywhere. You could leave it anywhere by your desk. This is a simple solution. This is perfect. You have two pens, one currently in your iPad and then one on the base, so you could swap it out. If you are an artist and you hate to wait for the actual charging, this is a perfect thing for you guys. And check this out. Now besides the pen, they give you a little case here, so you can actually put the pens away in here. I like this is a plus, and this is leather too, and it's white. I like that it's set up for those kind of scenarios. You can travel with it. You can put this in your bag and take it to go. And then when you're ready to charge your station, and look at this, it turns green as soon as it starts charging. Very simple. I like it. Easy to use, and it won't fall. Of course, you are going to need a USB, so it is a USB Type A to Type C. Right now, you could charge this on your laptop, on anywhere that you have a Type A connection. So very easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.